US SEC is making major moves, and the crypto market is feeling the impact. In a surprising turn of events, the SEC has officially dropped its investigation into Robinhood, a move that could have significant implications for XRP and Ripple's ongoing lawsuit. Every lawsuit closure, every regulatory retreat, brings us closer to a final resolution in the case against XRP, which has been dragging on for over 4 years. The crypto market is now at a crossroads as regulatory developments unfold alongside major financial moves from institutions and governments. Investors are now watching closely as February 27th approaches, a critical date when the SEC will hold a closed-door meeting to discuss XRP spot ETFs. This meeting could be one of the most pivotal moments for XRP in recent history. At the same time, the crypto market is facing corrections across the board. Bitcoin is trading at $95,000. Ethereum has dropped to $2,690, and XRP has fallen 4.67% to $2.47. While some see this as a bearish sign, others recognize it as a moment of accumulation before a potential breakout. Adding to the uncertainty, it appears that El Salvador has stopped its daily Bitcoin purchases, something few expected. For a long time, El Salvador had been consistently buying Bitcoin every single day, but suddenly, the country's purchases have been paused. This raises the question, does El Salvador know something that the rest of the market doesn't? Could this signal an upcoming shift in Bitcoin policy or a new strategy? While Bitcoin's momentum may be slowing down, Michael Saylor and MicroStrategy have stepped in once again, purchasing 20,356 BTC worth $990 million. This aggressive acquisition suggests that institutional players are still heavily investing in Bitcoin, possibly in anticipation of future price appreciation. Meanwhile, the XRP ETF narrative is gaining serious traction. The SEC has officially started reviewing Grayscale's XRP ETF application, marking the beginning of the countdown for a decision before October 18, 2025. If approved, an XRP ETF would open the floodgates for institutional investors, bringing greater legitimacy and stability to XRP.to add even more fuel to the fire. Robinhood's recent acquisition of Vistam, a payment broker for XRP, suggests that the company is preparing to launch a derivatives market on XRP Ledger. If true, this would be a monumental development for XRP, further integrating it into mainstream financial markets. That Robinhood's legal victory over the SEC also provides indirect support for XRP's case. The SEC had previously sued Robinhood for selling cryptocurrencies that were classified as securities, including XRP. Now that the SEC has dropped its investigation, it essentially implies that Robinhood is in compliance with regulations, and by extension, that XRP is not a security. This could serve as a powerful argument in favor of Ripple in the appeals court, increasing the chances of a full dismissal of the lawsuit. Looking ahead, the February 27th SEC meeting could be a turning point. The Bitwise XRP ETF is officially on the discussion table, and if approved, it would signal full regulatory acceptance of XRP. The implications of such a move would be massive, as it would allow traditional investors to gain exposure to XRP through regulated markets. More importantly, this decision will set a precedent for how future cryptocurrency ETFs, including Bitcoin and Ethereum ETFs, are evaluated. At the same time, the SEC's gradual retreat from crypto-related lawsuits is sending a strong message. Coinbase's lawsuit is nearly over. OpenSea's case has been dismissed, and now Robinhood is free from legal action. All of this points to a changing regulatory environment, one that may finally be shifting toward greater acceptance of crypto assets. Beyond regulatory developments, XRP's fundamentals remain incredibly strong. With each transaction, a small amount of XRP is burned, making it a deflationary asset by design. If XRP reaches just 1% of the global transactions volume, analysts predict that its value could surge significantly, reinforcing its long-term potential as a dominant financial asset. Additionally, the ETF hype continues to grow. The latest request for Embar ETF from Canary on Nasdaq further proves that institutional demand for crypto-based financial products is on the rise. If XRP ETFs receive approval, it would not only validate the asset's utility, but also create a ripple effect, no pun intended, across the crypto industry, potentially leading to broader acceptance of blockchain-based financial instruments. Key takeaways. The SEC dropping its lawsuit against Robinhood is a huge win for crypto regulation and could positively impact XRP's legal battle. The SEC's closed-door meeting on February 27th could be decisive for XRP spot ETFs, possibly paving the way for approval that Robinhood's acquisition of Vistam suggests an upcoming derivatives market on XRP ledger, potentially increasing XRP adoption. Michael Saylor's $990 million Bitcoin purchase shows that institutional investors are still deeply interested in crypto assets. El Salvador halting Bitcoin purchases raises questions about the country's future crypto strategy. With each XRP transaction burning a small amount of the supply, XRP's deflationary nature could drive significant price appreciation in the long term. As all these developments unfold, the crypto market is at a critical juncture. The next few months could determine XRP's trajectory for years to come. Will XRP ETFs receive regulatory approval? Will the SEC finally settle its case with Ripple? Will XRP become a dominant financial asset as institutions continue integrating it into global markets? Share your thoughts in the comments below. Like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss any of the latest XRP updates and crypto market insights.